Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Xbox 360 is online and you have the Microsoft account credentials ready. Once done, sign out any temporary profile and go to the console settings. Navigate to Account and choose Sign In or Create Profile. This starts the link process. Make sure your network is stable because interruptions will force restarts. If you use two-factor authentication, have your phone nearby so you can approve the sign-in quickly and avoid repeated attempts. Next, you select Add New and pick the Microsoft account sign-in option. This is where precision matters. Enter your email exactly and then the password. Slow typing prevents errors and lockouts. After you submit, the console may prompt for two-step verification. Follow on-screen steps and approve with your phone. Once verified, choose to remember the account on this console for faster access, but avoid that option on shared machines. This links your gamer tag, saves, and entitlements to the Xbox 360. Finally, confirm your gamer tag and account settings, then sync cloud saves and check purchased content appears. Sign in to Xbox Live and test the store or join a multiplayer match to validate the connection. If something fails, power cycle the console first. That often clears cached errors. Make sure credentials are correct and that your router allows Xbox Live traffic. If problems persist, remove the profile and add it again, or reset network settings before contacting support to avoid unnecessary steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.